Welcome to
PIA.
PIA.
Welcome to PIA
2009.
PIA 2009.
2009.
Back in the PIA 2009.
So for about the last 55 years, this company's been making parachutes and parachute equipment, and they're now known as Pioneer Aerospace. And here with me is Mark Krasinski. Now, I first met Mark as we were wingsuiting at, and I think it was Pepperell, wasn't it?
We first started up in Massachusetts, that's right.
So you're a real skydiver as opposed to just being a military skydiver.
Exactly. No, all my jumps I had to pay for myself, and then I just got into the military market with Pioneer Aerospace.
Great, so I can just, all those military guys out there now think I just said they're not real skydivers, and they've got weapons.
You didn't have to pay for the jumps.
Open mouth, take out foot.
That's right.
So Mark, tell us what's going on at PIA 2009 for Pioneer Aerospace.
Well, we're here with a group. There's a bunch of parachute companies under Zodiac, Pioneer Aerospace, Parachute de France, which makes all our sport equipment, and Aerosure, which is the French military company, and PIA, which is actually a South African military parachute company. We're all owned by Zodiac. So we're all here together under the Zodiac umbrella, and Pioneer Aerospace is here displaying our military equipment because our company only makes the military equipment.
So what's new? I know we've got this guy here that we're standing by. Tell me what's going on.
Rig. It's a rig we made for the U.S. military. They got a new program called ARAPS, which is out. It's a high-altitude halo rig, compatible with oxygen. Exit altitude's up to 30,000 feet. It's got a 420 square foot main canopy, same reserve canopy in it. It's a hybrid canopy. It's got 0P top skin and normal F11 for the bottom skin. It has a high glide ratio, and it's really made for halo insertion and heavy lifting, heavy bundle systems. And there's a lot of companies competing with the U.S. military for it now, but we're going to show it to the U.S. military, and it's available for the other foreign militaries right now.
Great. Now, I know almost nothing about Halo, and I know absolutely nothing about military Halo. So I've got to ask: is the hybrid something that's designed for the very high opening to reduce shock? Is that why it's made in that
really,
format?
The hybrid makes it easier to pack. You get the advantage of having 0P on the top skin. You get the better glide ratio. But once it's down and you're packing it up, the pack volume's a little bit smaller. It's easier for someone who doesn't have thousands of jumps to pack it because it's an easier pack job. So the U.S. decided to go with a hybrid, and so we made a hybrid canopy specifically for this purpose.
Well, that explains probably why I've got maybe 1,000 jumps under a hybrid before I moved to an all-ZP canopy.
Exactly.
But fabulous system. Well, now, would I embarrass you by talking about other kinds of jumping you do?
Not too much. Of course, we do wingsuit jumping together all the time, but I'm also a very experienced base jumper. I travel around the world, got about 250 base jumps, and go wherever I can and jump off whatever cliffs or other objects may make themselves available to me.
So when you get up to Utah and throw me off of an object or two?
Whenever you want to go, we'll find something. Actually, this building is 42 stories tall. If we can get on the roof, maybe we can go tonight.
Hey, that sounds like a lot of fun. So hopefully, I'll see you tomorrow.